Good morning class. Today we will start with binary number system, binary to decimal conversion, decimal to binary conversion. Okay. So I've already told you what is binary number system in the last class. So what is binary number system? It's nothing but, suppose I write something, nothing but the number system consists of only 1 and 0. 1 means on, 0 means off. Imagine it as a electric current passing an electric current. Okay, when you turn off the switch, the light goes off. When you turn on the switch, the light goes on. Right. So 1 means light is on, off means switch is off, light is off. Okay. So binary system is 1, 0, 1, 1, something like this, with a base 2. Okay. And what is decimal number? Decimal number is like the number system we are used to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay. Suppose I say 33 with base, say 10. Okay. So that is your decimal number system. Okay. Now today we will learn how to convert this binary and binary number system and decimal number system. Okay. Now suppose first let's learn how to convert binary to decimal. In the previous class itself, if you remember, I have talked a little bit about how to convert a binary number to decimal number, but today we will discuss in details. Okay, suppose I have a number, say 10010. Suppose I have a number, say like this. Okay, so just wait, let me give some gap. It will be easier for me to understand. Suppose I have a number 10010. Okay. So here we will take 2 to the power 0. Okay. Then here it will have 2 to the power 1. Then here we will have 2 to the power 2. Again 2 to the power 3, and finally we will have here 2 to the power 4. Okay. So whenever you have a binary number like given here 10010, this is a binary number. So whenever you have a binary number like this, what you will need to do is you will start from the end and you will start with 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the 3, 2 to the power 4. Now what we will do? We will do is, if I try to find it out, what will I have? 1 into 2 to the power 4. Right? 1 into 2 to the power 4. That I will write later. Plus 0 into 2 to the power 3. Let me write it later, okay? Because I am writing it in pen, no? So it does not have superscript font. Okay, I have to write it later on. Let me just write it down first. 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2. So first what will we have? Here we have 2 to the power 4. So 1 into 2 to the power 4. Okay. Then we will have 2 into 2 to 0 into 2 to the power 3. Then we will have 0 into 2 to the power 2. Then we will have 1 into 2 to the power 1. Then we will have 0 into 2 to the power 0. Okay, so that is what I am getting. Now 1 into 2 to the power 4 is, what is 2 to the power 4? First let us write it down. What is like what is 2 to the power 4 and all? I am writing it down here. Now see here, 2 to the power 0 is 1, 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 3 is 8, 2 to the power 4 is 16, 2 to the power 5 is 32, 2 to the power 6 is 64, 2 to the power 7 is 120, 2 to the power 8 is 256. So if I see here, what I am getting is 1 into, what is 2 to the power 4? 2 to the power 4 is 16. So 1 into 16 plus 0 into whatever it is, it will always turn out to be 0. Plus 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1. What is 2 to the power 1? That is 2. So plus 2. Again 0 into whatever it is will be 0. So what I am getting is equals to 16 plus 2. 16 plus 2 is 18. Okay. So 1 0 1 0 1. So what can I write? 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 is equals to 18 in decimals. Okay, so this in binary is 18 in decimal. Okay, so 10010 base 2 in binary is 18 in decimal. Similarly, suppose I take a number, suppose I take something like this. Suppose I take a decimal value. Okay, 1 0 0 point, say 1 0 1. Okay, see I am taking a decimal value 1100.101. Okay, so how will I convert it? This part I have already discussed. Okay, what it will have? It will have 2 2 2 2. Then first it will have first we will start with 2 to the power 0 0. Then it will have 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. Just okay. So 1 1 0 0, to convert it, what I have 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, and I have already discussed that 2 to the power 3 is 8 plus 2 to the power 2 is 4. Okay, 8 plus 4. Now come to this part 1 0 1. Okay, what I will have? So for 101, when I am considering something after decimal, what I will have is, let me just write it down first. Okay, so what I will have here is 2 to the power minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, 2 to the power minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now let us try to understand how this will work. So what is 2 to the power minus 1? 2 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 2. Plus obviously 2 to the power 0, whatever it is, 2 to the power 0 is 1 by 4. Okay. But here I will have this 1 into 1 by 2, 0 into 1 by 4 plus 1 into 1 by 8. Okay, so that is what 101 is. So 1 into 1 by 2 is obviously 1 by 2, and what is 1 by 2? 0.5. Okay, plus 0 into whatever it is will always be 0, so I am excluding that part. Now 1 into 1 by 8, what is 1 by 8? 1 by 8 is 0.125. Okay, 0.125. You can check it out by dividing it. I will divide 1 by 8, you will get 0.125. So 1 into 0.125 is 0.125. Okay. So now what we have? 8 plus 4 is 12 plus this. Okay. Plus 0.5 plus 0.125. That is what I am getting from this. So what it is equals to 12.625. Okay. So what I can write? I can write that 1100.101 is equals to 12.625. Okay. Let me write it in bracket so that what is binary and what is decimal we can understand. To represent the binary and decimal, always write the base. Okay. This 2 and this. Okay. Now we have understood how to convert a binary number into decimal number. Now let us try to understand how to convert a decimal number into a binary number. Okay. Okay, let me do it here only. Now we will convert decimal to binary. So to convert a decimal number into a binary number, what I have to do? Suppose I take a number, say 28. Okay. So 28. This is a decimal number. I have to convert it into binary number. This is the decimal number and I want to convert it into binary number. So how to do that? Okay. Let's take the okay. So first I will take 28. Then what I will do? I will divide it with 2. So what it will give? 28 divided by 2 is 14. It does not have any remainder. Okay. So I will write 0. Why? Because 28 divided by 2 is 14 and the remainder is 0. Now I will again divide it with 2. What is 14 by 2? 14 by 2 is 7 and it does not have any remainder. Sorry. So it will have, so we will have, say again, 0. Okay. Now again I will divide 7 with 2. So what I have now, 7 divided by 2 is 3 and the remainder is 1. Okay. Now again I divide this with 2. When you divide 3 by 2, you have 1 and the remainder is also 1. So 28 after dividing it with by 2, just write it properly. After dividing it with by 2, what I am getting is this. So when you read the decimal number, although you divide it in this way, but when you read the decimal number, you read from here to here. So what will be your conversion? It is 1 1 1 0 0 0. Okay. So 28 in decimal converted into binary. What we have? We have 1 1 1 0 0 in binary. Okay. Like 28 sorry, 10. Okay, so this is what we are getting now. So see, when you convert binary to decimal, you multiply it with 2 to the power 4, and when we convert decimal to binary, we start dividing by 2, and from the end we take the value. Okay. Now suppose let me open a new one. Let me use this one. And let me shift this to this part. Now suppose I want to use a floated value. Okay. So what is a floated value? Suppose I want to use something like 28.125. Okay, this is my decimal value and I want to convert it into binary value. In that case, what I have to do? Yeah, so I want to convert it into binary value. This is a decimal value. I want to convert this into binary value. So I have already told you from how to convert a decimal value into binary value, but using an integer number. Now I am considering a float number. So for 28, the method will be same. For 0.125, the method will change. So what will happen now? So we have 0.125 I will multiply it with 2. So what I will get? I will get 0.25. Okay, that means before decimal what we have? We have 0. Okay. Now again multiply 0.25 into 2. What I will have now? I will have 0.5. So before decimal what we have? 0, right? Before decimal means this part. Okay? Before decimal means this part. Okay? Now again multiply 0.5 into 2. What we get? We get 1. We get 1.0. So before decimal what we have? We have 1. Right? So 1. So now how we will read it? Now we will read it. Now we will read it in downward direction. After decimal we will read it downward direction. Mind it, before decimal we used to read it in upward direction. Right? From here to here. So upward direction. Now we will read it downward direction. So what we have now? We have For 28 we have 1 1 1 0 0. So 1 1 1 0 0. For 28 I have. Now for point 1 to 5 what we have? 0 0 1 0 0. Okay. So this is 5. So conversion of this decimal into this binary, conversion of decimal into binary, we get this one. Okay. So next we have in the syllabus we have yeah. So we have BCD and ASCII code. So this BCD and ASCII both are number systems. Okay, and these are mainly theoretical basis. So I will send you the notes. Okay. Thank you.